Hello students, today I am going to explain this one, frequency of electron in stationary orbits. Okay, so see that what is the question? I am just sending the photograph. Okay, find the frequency of electron in stationary orbits of Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom. Okay, so this one I have sending already to you photo. Okay, this is only mathematical steps I am going to explain. Okay, answer will be the number of revolutions to revolutions per second. Answer page 30 to 13. It is there already in old book. Okay, I am sending the photo, but here I am just trying to explain little bit. I think you understood. If not, you can see this one again. Okay, so see what is there. Frequency of electron in stationary orbits. Okay, now in one, what is the frequency of electron? It may question may ask. Okay, small question, what is this? So the definition is there: the number of revolutions completed per second by the electron in a stationary orbit around the nucleus is called frequency of the electron, is denoted by small f, around the nucleus. Okay, so nucleus is here. So around the nucleus electrons revolving. So when electron number of revolutions completed per second by the electron in a orbit around the nucleus is called frequency of the electron. It is denoted by small f. Okay, it is denoted by small f. Okay, now what is this? See, velocity of electron in nth orbit. Velocity of electron in nth orbit is what? Vn is equal to Rn omega n. Okay, so what is omega? V equal linear velocity, omega is equal to what? Angular velocity. So what is omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi f, since omega is equal to 2 pi f. Okay, now what is this? Frequency of electron, frequencies formula we can write from there. Fn, cross multiplication you do, Fn equal to Vn by 2 pi Rn. Okay, now what is this? V equal to velocity. Velocity we have done there also, we have already explained. Then from here you cannot write from equation 5 and all, but here we can write, since Vn equal to, you have to remember the formula, Vn equal to z square by 2 epsilon naught nh. We have to write this, since Vn equal to this. So putting this value of Vn here, instead of Vn we have to write the formula what velocity we got in before for velocity of nth orbit, z square by 2 epsilon naught nh into 1 by 2 pi Rn, 1 by 2 pi Rn. Okay, now what is this? Therefore Fn equal to z square into 1 is what? Z square by 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 pi epsilon naught nh Rn. Okay, now this is the formula for frequency of electron in stationary orbit. Okay, now for hydrogen atom, what we can do? Z equal to 1, number of protons Z equal to 1. So Z equal to 1, what it will be? Fn equal to, instead of Z what we can write? 1. So 1 into square is what? 1 into square is square. So square, Fn equal to square by 4 pi epsilon naught nh Rn. So what is this? For frequency of electron for hydrogen atom. Now if for first orbit is what? N equal to 1, n maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, so n equal to 1. So first orbit of hydrogen atom, so when in ground state, so for n equal to 1, for instead of n orbital, this is principal quantum number, for n equal to 1, then n1 equal to 1, r1, for not rn, r1 equal to, we got 0.53 10 to the power minus 10 meter. We got here R1 equal to 0.5 minus 10 meter equal to 0.53 angstrom we got for hydrogen atom for radius when we find that one. Okay, so in putting the value of this, you have to remember this one, R1 equal to 0.53 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So put this all value, frequency of electron in first orbit of hydrogen atom is, what is this? We are putting all values. So F1 equal to, instead of 1 n, we have to put F1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, this is e square by this is E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. So you just write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. You keep it outside. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, you keep it outside, into then E square by 1, and instead of this n we are writing 1 h nhr1, then we write 1 into h into r1. Now again this value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 epsilon naught value, epsilon naught permittivity, pi is 3.144, you multiply all, then 1 divided by this, you are getting 9 into 10 to the power 9. So you try this one, numerical value you can check, this is coming. Then E square E2 is the constant value, you have to put charge of the electron 1.6 10 to the minus 19, E square is whole square. Now 1 into h is Planck's constant value, you have to put 6.62 into 10 to the minus 34. R1 also you know 0.53 into 10 to the minus 10 is equal to whole this divided by this, multiply by this, everything. When you will do squaring and all, 10 to the minus 10, you do the cancellation, bring it numerator and you do the cancellation part, or you can do direct in the calculator. So this will come 6.57 into 10 to the power 15. RPS means revolution per second. Frequency, we are getting revolution per second. How much it will revolve, but we have to do in per second, 1 second, revolution per second. This is that for first orbit of hydrogen atom, this is the value. So therefore electron, the first of hydrogen atom, 6.57 10 to the 15 revolution per second it will move. Okay, so this is for frequency. Okay, another day I'll do this energy of electron in stationary orbit. I'm sending the photo, you can see yourself also. Okay, mathematical steps again I just want to show you. Okay, I'll show. Okay then students, bye. If any difficulty, problem and all, your friends are not getting or not checking this video, you say to see these videos and all. Okay, bye.